AC should be turning on. It actually should be turning on within 5 seconds. AC still isn't turning on. We'll give it like 5 minutes. Should be hearing air blowing out. There's nothing. I'm gonna set my phone down. Once I hear the AC turn on, I'm gonna put the phone up to the vents and notice. You'll notice. Minutes. AC still didn't turn on. Phone is up to vent. Nothing's coming out. We're on 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Give it another 2.5 minutes. See if the AC turns on. This is the first time the AC has not turned on. Typically just the heat just turns on by itself. We're at 3 minutes, 7 seconds. Furnace is still not turned on, putting phone up to vent. Can't hear any air blowing out. Four minutes and 50 seconds. AC still hasn't turned on. What's the crease at 53? We are at 5 minutes. Restarting video.